Well, doing another unboxing video, and this one is on a Vacmaster, and I needed one for the shop, so yeah, this is ought to be a good one here. Man, that fan's kind of driving me nuts. Alright, okay. Taped up pretty good. So, let's see. Now this one cost me about $113. The manual. The pieces here. Looks like I'm going to have to put the camera down to. Let's see. Watch me struggle getting this out. It's got some weight to it. Heavier than that one we had. Wow, it looks like, oh, I see. These are wheels. I'm going to have to install these wheels. And then I got another part here, which is attachments for the hose and the alright. Wow. So this better. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm hoping that this is a good brand. There we go. And you got tape here. I don't know. I've had a Craftsman. It looks like a filter back here. Yeah. I wonder if I can turn the light on here on this thing. I don't know. Doesn't look like I can. So, dry filter, it says. Camera does not want to focus today. I believe, oh, I see, you just push up on that, and then it push up on this, right? And this will come down, maybe. Oh, it comes off, so there's your filter. Nice. Put that back in like so, and there. Pretty interesting. Let me see if there's something I gotta take out of here. Wow, there's all, yeah, imagine I do. So there's the filter. Wow. So, extra parts here. You got your, some screws. More parts here. This must be for the, yeah. So what I'm going to have to do is set you guys up somewhere. Bear with me. Still new at this. So this here is the brush. One of the, I think that's what you'd call that. And got your wheels here. I hope I can do an assemble job for this. Oh yeah. And it looks like that. Let me get some of these out of here first. Alright. Yeah. This must have, yeah, the wheels for the front, you know. So. This piece here, it looks like it's probably going to be filled with, I don't know, utensils, I guess. I'm trying to think if there's any more screws that need to go. See, there's those. Okay, so the front feet. There's that, and this one. So these go to the front, which is no big deal there. Just slide in. I think they gotta line up here. Yeah. In. Gotta really press on them. And then the screws here. I would use my drill, but hey, you know what? This is just a plastic container, so yeah. And it don't help that I'm on the bed, so I'm just kind of pushing everything around so that I don't. Speed this up so you guys are not bored with this. Wait just a second. I think I got. Okay. They're all the same screws, so I think the other two screws they got to go into the handle part of the sweeper there. So. It's supposed to be an ultra quiet 2-stage motor, so that would be nice because I've had some shop vacs and they are so loud. And you would really know when it's getting full. Now I've got to look at and see where this goes. I'm not sure. So let's see. I don't know where that goes, honestly. Am I missing something here? The filter, okay. That's the what does it say? Does it? Cartridge filter, that's number, that's G. That's not it, that's the round. Oh, the door filter is the filter for O. That's this one here. Well, I don't know. I'll have to look and see where this is. I really don't know. The foam filter. So, oh, for wet. It's for the wet. Okay, so that I'm not going to need right now. I'm going to put this up for now. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Let me get the handle on. So really, I don't think there's really a wrong way of doing this. Maybe. Hold on. Just gotta go this way. And there. screws in. Let's see here. Got this going here. You always want to put the screw in first, right? That might work, but it might help if you get it right in the hole first. There we go, and then I think that's basically all the screws for this. Okay, you put your. Hey, that's pretty cool. Got your all your stuff and equipment. Imagine these here probably go like this. Or wait, this one probably goes down here, I would say. And you got this one here. Maybe these go on the back. Now these here are interesting. I think these go on the sides, maybe? Wait a minute, let's see here. Oh, I see. So they do go like right in here. Got ya. So we go right down there, it looks like. And these kind of, I think these just kind of sit in here, don't they? Yeah, they hold the hose probably. I would think they go in here and they kind of sit in here like that. Yeah, I got, okay. I'll figure that out later. But that's how that goes. And that's on each side. So, wait a minute. That's how. Not sure. Let's see. I couldn't quite tell you that first. But maybe that goes in there like that, or it goes down below. That's something I'll have to check on. So I'm not sure on that part. You got all these here, these attachments. This goes in one way here. Well, that includes the Vacmaster. I purchased this at my home store here in town, so I don't know if they're available online or not. But it's not too bad. I've tested it out. Maybe another video I can test it out for you guys, but my other camera died and now I'm just using my phone, so I apologize for saying so many times. When I get nervous, I say dumb things. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and take care. Bye.